The Wolfcraft marking gauge is a versatile tool that allows you to transform your folding rule into a sturdy marking gauge effortlessly. With a two-piece set, simply slide it onto the folding rule and set the desired measurement. The limit stop is securely positioned at the edge of the workpiece, enabling well-guided parallel line markings with a pencil. It also features an integrated centering pin for precise circular shape marking. Made of high-quality plastic, this durable and sturdy marking gauge is compatible with all commercially available folding rules. Enjoy fast, precise, and versatile marking with the Wolfcraft marking gauge. The BIHUI heavy-duty tile breaking clamp is a robust tool specifically designed for breaking large format tiles. It features a comfortable soft grip handle and a visual positioning line for precise tile alignment. The adjustable wide pressing frame accommodates tiles up to 15 mm thick. Compatible with the BIHUI rail cutting system, it ensures a seamless integration. Enjoy the benefits of easy and efficient tile breaking thanks to its user-friendly design. With its durability and safety features, the BIHUI heavy-duty tile breaking clamp is a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Malco Adjustable Siding Gauge SGA is a valuable tool for installing lap siding. It works with most commercially available siding types, including fiber cement and LP smart siding. Designed for one-person use, it eliminates the need for layout and speeds up the installation process. The adjustable clamp accommodates material thicknesses of 5/16 inches to 5 1/8D, while the adjustable reveal ranges from 4 inches to 8. Made of durable aluminum, it is lightweight and non-marring to prevent siding damage. The Amprobe TIC 300 Pro high voltage detector is a reliable, non-contact tester for high voltage applications up to 122 kV. It is MSA certified and intrinsically safe, ensuring safety while working with high voltage electricity. The detector has 2 voltage levels and safety features like flashing lights and beep alerts. Its ergonomic design with a rubberized grip provides comfortable handling, and the carrying case allows for easy transport. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the Amprobe TIC 300 Pro is a reliable and safe tool for high-voltage detection. The dust-free vacuum scraper collects dirt and debris when attached to a wet-dry vac. Its ultra-strong carbide blade is two-sided for longer use, with replacement blades available. The high-quality plastic handle prevents scraped knuckles and provides a textured grip. The durable knob serves as a pull knob for leverage and aggressive scraping and as a hammerhead for resetting popped nails. Use it for scraping paint, varnish, glue, wax, and more. Includes a 6-foot vacuum hose and adapter for common wet-dry vacs. The REFCO TRITECTOR-R is a professional-grade electronic leak detector for refrigerants, combustible gases, and tracer gases. It features exchangeable sensors, adjustable sensitivity, and automatic manual ambient compensation. The color LCD display shows gas, concentration, and leak rate, while the sound and visual alarm ensure easy detection. The TRITECTOR-R operates in a wide temperature range and has a long battery life. It is a reliable tool backed by a 1-year warranty, suitable for professional and DIY users in various applications. The RYOBI USB Lithium Foam Cutter Kit offers versatile foam cutting, shaping, and shaving capabilities. With rapid heating in under 2 minutes, this tool is always ready to go. The dual heat settings provide precise temperature control for your specific project needs. The kit includes 3 foam cutting tips, a hot wire tip for carving and shaping, a precision engraving tip for adding texture, and a holing tip for cutting shapes and holes. Say goodbye to downtime with the tool-free tip change feature. The Jonard Tools CableSaber Plus is a durable tool designed for gaining mid-span access to armored or thick jacketed cables. Its precision steel blade ensures no damage to internal fibers while cutting through tough materials. The blade can be set for longitudinal slitting or radial ringing, and the adjustable depth makes it compatible with various cable sizes. With an anodized aluminum and steel construction, the CableSaber Plus is both sturdy and long-lasting. It provides a safe and easy solution for technicians working with armored or thick jacketed cables, preventing damage to internal fibers and offering adjustable functionality for different cable types. The Hyde heavy-duty molding puller is a versatile and durable tool designed to remove baseboard trim and other molding materials without causing damage. Its built-in wedge and spreading action distribute force evenly, preventing molding from breaking or chipping. Made of heavy-duty steel, it ensures long-lasting performance. Additionally, it can be used for removing tile, carpet, and other flooring materials. The Hyde heavy-duty molding puller is a safe and effective solution that provides reliable results and is built to withstand the test of time. The Kapro 340 POSTRITE folding post level is a versatile tool designed for leveling posts and pipes of any diameter. It features 3 brightly colored cylindrical vials for precise readings, including 2 horizontal and 1 vertical. The level can be easily collapsed for convenient transportation and storage. With its click-lock mechanism every 15 degree, it allows for quick and accurate adjustments. The level is equipped with magnets for working on ferrous surfaces and elastic straps for attaching to wood, aluminum, and plastic. The Kapro 340 POSTRITE folding post level is a durable and reliable tool that provides accurate readings and is suitable for a variety of applications. The OTC Slide Hammer Puller Set is a versatile tool set designed for automotive repair tasks. It includes a 5-pound hammer with a polished chrome finish, various internal and external jaws, cross blocks and cone, a grip wrench adapter, and a dent puller attachment. It comes in a convenient blow-molded case for easy storage and transportation. The set can be used for tasks such as removing axles, hubs, bearings, gears, seals, and pulling dents in sheet metal. The OTC Slide Hammer Puller Set is a reliable and durable tool set that is suitable for both professionals and DIYers in automotive repair. The Infinity Straight Edge 46 Precision is a 46-inch long anodized aluminum straight edge with a machined flat reference edge. It has 1 4-inch wide channels on both sides to accommodate different rules for woodworking. The straight edge can be used with or without adhesive-backed rules, which are available in fractional, metric, and center-finding options. It is perfect for machine setup, checking flatness, aligning wheels, and more. The straight edge is durable and lightweight and measures 6.35 mm thick, 4.445 centimeters high, and weighs 1.75 kilograms. The Jonard Tools RocketRibbon cable shaving tool is designed for shaving thick-jacketed cables like Corning's RocketRibbon cable. It has an ultra-sharp SK5 steel blade and an adjustable guide for different jacket sizes. The ergonomic handle provides added leverage for easy and precise cutting. Made with rugged and durable steel, it ensures long-lasting performance. This tool offers ease of use, clean cuts, time-saving efficiency, and durability. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.